Hey, you guys, welcome back to my channel. And if this is your first time here, welcome. So, what I'm currently about to do is a gray coverage color change. So, these are for the girlies that have gray hair, and you're like, okay, my gray is not coming in the way I wanted to. I want to color my hair. I've been going to Sally's, using Sally's products, it's not working. I'm using henna, it's not hitting. Like, yeah, then go in the salon and get a permanent color change. My client here came out so beautiful, but you guys got to stay to the end to see it. And as you guys know, or if this is your first time here, I always love to do my color with the matrix line because I overall like how it turns out on African American hair. And also, I just like it as a colorist myself. I really, really like that brand. But let's get into today's video. So for today's color, I will be using the 504N, the 3N, and 5N. Also with the level 10 and 20 volume developer by Matrix. So with my client today, she is less than 50% gray. It's more common for the gray to grow in on the hairline and also in the middle of the hair and also in the back. It's very uncommon to have that beautiful, nice gray all over. So because of this reason, people are more open to coloring their hair. At this time, I will be using the 504N in 20 volume to color the base of my client's hair. This will stay on her head for 45 minutes. Coloring the hair and relaxing the hair has similar and non-similarities. When you are coloring the hair, how it is different is you apply the color to the base of the hair first and you work it down. When you are relaxing the hair, you apply the relaxer to the base at the end. Now, moving forward, you can divide the hair into four, or you can divide the hair into two separate sections. That depends on the volume of the hair, so you can have more control. When you are applying the color, you want to divide the hair into small parts and apply the color on both sides. Now I will go back over the color going left to right. This is to check to make sure the color is applied evenly all over. So at this point, we'll allow the color to sit for a total of 45 minutes. For the last 20 minutes, I will apply the 5N, 3N to the mid shaft and the ends of my client's hair. Now you will see me apply the color 3N plus 5N equal parts with 10 volume developer. I will alternate on both sides to keep the color even and balanced. This will stay on my client's hair for the last 20 minutes. And I do have color stain remover to remove all excess color off my client's skin. Now that the color is applied, I actually love how it came out. And also my client loved it too. At this time, I usually like to slow down and talk to my client on how to maintain their hair moving forward and answer any questions or concerns they may have. Okay, so now it's time to style my client hair. I'm using my comb blow dryer. I really love this. Remember, you guys, all products and tools that I use in the salon will be located down below in the description, or you can go to my website at www.my2goldenhands.com, and everything is there under products. So moving forward, I will be doing a trim on my client ends. We already did a bob cut last month and she really, really loved it. So we're going to keep that going. So we are coming to the end of today's service. I will be moving forward by styling my client's hair. These titanium flat irons work really, really good, but they get very hot very fast. So please pay attention to the temperature. And once again, all products and tools will be left in the description, or they will be located on my website at www.my2goldenhands.com. To give the hair body, I will be also using the T3 curling irons. I'm also a fan of these curling irons. It took me a while to actually master how to use them, but overall, I really haven't found a reason to not like them. So we are done with today's service. It really came out very well. The color looks so rich. When you originally see it, it does look like it's black, but actually it's a dark brown. It really looks good with her skin tone. It really looks very natural and it goes well. It partners very, very well with her bob look. So overall, I give this look a 10 on her and I think it came out perfect. I want to thank you guys so much for watching today's video. But before I leave, I want to thank you guys so much because I have made it to 2,000 subscribers. I wanted to say something a while ago, but then it just slipped my mind because I was so focused on making sure I got content out there for you guys. But I want to say thank you so much for any and every video you liked, you shared, you paid attention to, you took something from, you visit me at the salon. However, you showed your love and appreciation, I really, really do appreciate it. And also, before you leave, please hit the like button and comment down below. That's a way you can show love and support to small content creators like myself for free. And thank you so very much. And remember to drink your water for healthy hair, skin, and nails. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.